We're here today in Buchanan, Virginia. Today is Saturday the 25th. It's a Memorial Weekend. So we're gonna go canoeing for the day. It's about 9 miles long on, I think, James River or Rock River, not sure. So you're gonna start here and go 9 miles down the river, and they will come pick us up. Like they give us like 5-6 hours. We should be done by 5 o'clock. So that's the day. That's what we gonna do for the day. Here's the river there, and that's how we're gonna go canoe on that river. It's morning here, so you can hear birds chirping. People are canoeing already. A lot of people today. There's a river. It's not clear and clean river, but it's decent size. You got a shuttle. You got a shuttle 9 miles up, and you're gonna come down in here. The time ends at shooting for 5 o'clock. And these people are people that go in canoe and kayaking and just do what we do today. It's a rental place. So this is inside the building now. We're just gonna do a orientation before you go. There's a lot of life jackets, a lot of people here. The group that they go overnight or 3 days, 2 nights. So we'll see how it's going to be like. Do orientation in here first before we head out. It's gonna be fun. There's a lot of people here. Today is a good day. Go canoeing and do other stuff. Camping, crazy stuff. Not just us, but this rental place is packed today. Canoe, everything here, it's packed. There's a shuttle. We're gonna take the school bus. I think not just us, but people that we go with people that go. It's gonna go like 3 days or 2 days, 3 days tonight. And there's the building here. They have the shuttle here too. She's very excited.
I am. Can't wait to get in the water, the dirty water. The only river that we have seen so far.
There's inside the building. A lot of people here. They just for us come canoe, have fun. It's a perfect day to do that. There's a lot of canoe here. We're on the way in 11:30, so it's very hot day today. There's a lot of sunshine. She's very anxious to go, so we have to go to the classroom and learn some tip to how to survive the water first before we head out.
We're making sandwiches.
This video, we are going to discuss equipment,
We have to watch
and how
5-minute video,
that
so
you could potentially encounter on your trip. They are familiar with the equipment.
everybody
and
here
local rules and regulations.
have to go through this video, watch this video before they take us to the river.
Alright, let's start by discussing some of the equipment.
We load it up to the bus, inside the bus. And we're ready to go. This actually takes about 3 to 4 hours, and Our time's late till 5 o'clock, so we should have fun. A lot of people is loading up.
By Avery.
This is her first time on school.
No, she wrote
good.
this.
Right now we're on the bus on the way there. So nice cemetery there.
This is cool to see all this.
A lot of people haven't ride the bus for what, 40 years? First time to ride school bus again. A lot of people. We have like 27 people. From there, so there's a river. So people here. Go right in the middle.